Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for the week of May 11th. So we got 2 more weeks left, and so we're going to kind of roll it out by finishing up these projects. So today on Tuesday the 12th, your second installment of the Body Systems project is officially being installed. So that means that you are going to officially start on this second Body Systems posters. The ones that I've been seeing have been really solid, and I'm going to be trying to give you some feedback Monday and Tuesday, so you have a little bit of guidance on how you can improve on this second project. But other than that, this is the same deal that you did last week. In fact, it's really just copied and pasted from Human Body Systems Project Part 1. So if we actually go in and take a look at the assignment here, you'll see that all the instructions are exactly the same. You can still work in groups. You're going to be choosing a different system, one that's different from the one you chose previously, and you'll have about 3 class periods to get it done. So you'll have today, you'll also have Thursday, and then it will be due at the end of the day next Tuesday. And that's going to wrap up our year for us. We'll have one last day next week, and I'll have more information about what that will look like next week on that day's screencast. But otherwise, same sort of deal. It's just going to be this project for a different system again. Another 70 points should get us through our last week. As usual, I will just remind you when we go back into this classwork stream to please remember to submit these attendance questions. Obviously they're grayed out because they'll be scheduled to post live later, but you want to make sure that you get these done before 3:59 p.m. That's all I got for you today, folks. I wish you luck with your project. If you need help or questions, please let me know. This week is a bit of a special week. I am going to be helping with some of the check-in with people coming back to school and getting their textbooks and their materials. So I will not be available on Wednesday or Thursday because I will be helping out during those days, but I will be available during Friday, during office hours, and always available through email on any time. So if you have questions or concerns this week, email is probably the best way to reach me. With that being said, that's all I got for you for now. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Bye!